Hello Sassy Divas, I'm Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. Chloe's in the other room, but I want to welcome you to another Sassy Divas collab. This is a group of myself, Stephanie over at Glitzy Gem, Kristen at Krusty Kristen, Emily D, and Leslie from Hillbilly Creativity. So this month's collab is affordable beauty, and we could do that however we wanted. I took myself down to Walgreens and I got a handful of items, and I'll go over all the prices with you to do my entire face with some affordable brands. Now, my Dollar Tree only has LA Color. They don't have some of the other Wet n Wild stuff. Every now and then we find something like that. I'm not a big fan of the LA Color stuff. It just doesn't, I haven't had good luck with it, but lots of Wet n Wild at my local Walgreens. So let's get right into it. The first thing I'm going to use is their Wet n Wild Niacinamide Skin Tint. All right, this has 5% niacinamide, and this was $7.49. See if I can find the shade on here. Now, Wet n Wild is cruelty-free, so that is one of the reasons I really like this brand. This is in cream beige. It's a medium warm. And because it's a tint, going a little darker, even a little lighter, isn't going to really make that much of a difference because it is just supposed to blend right in. All right, so there it is. Okay, I think that blended very nicely. Not heavy at all. Feels nice and light on my skin. Like, don't feel anything at all, actually. And I did forget to get any kind of concealer, so we're just going to move forward. And I do have this Wet n Wild bronzer. And there's no other shade other than just bronzer. I guess it's, oh, Ticket to Brazil. That's the shade. And this was $4.49. All right, nice and light. For my cheeks, I have this Wet n Wild blush stick. This was $3.49, and it's in the shade Dusty Rose. Now, for my highlighter, I have this Wet n Wild Chameleon. Now, I actually got this in a Busy Beauty box, but they do sell this in the store. It was, I don't know, maybe $3.50. So there it is in the back of my hand. It's got a little blue hint, but it also has pink to it. It kind of flips. I'll show you that bronzer too. All right, so you can't really see. It kind of blended in, but it is a nice light shade. So you can't really see. I put it over here. It blended in. It's very similar to my skin tone. All right, let's move on to eyeliner. So another Wet n Wild product. This is in a brown, though. I really wanted a brown. And it was $4.49. Not at all smudgy. It almost comes out more like dry but colorful. For my eyeshadow, I have this just mini bite. This was $3.49 and the shade is Petalette. I'm going to start using this as an overall because it's a nice neutral shade. And I'm going to apply that to the outer ends. That has some good payout. Then I'm going to go in with this light purple into right here. And then next I found this and I was like, oh, gotta try that. So this was $6.99, so a little pricey, but for a multi-chrome, I didn't think that was bad. Again, I could have done the whole look with just that particular palette, but I wanted to see how a budget level multi-chrome, how it performs. All right, so it's just this cute little pot, but with so much color. And we're just gonna blend that. Well, that does pack some punch. I'm going to go back in with that light pink because now you can't even see it. It's kind of eclipsed. Oh, I can definitely see some flip on that. So when I have it this way, I'm seeing green. All right, now I'm going to take this light one right here and just come up over here. And then this pink one right here, just to kind of come out over there. And again, it's real light because of the brush. Now for the mascara, I did go for the e.l.f. mascara. This is their lash extender mascara, and it was $8. Now I will tell you, but they just didn't have it at Walgreens, that there is a line that I can get at Ulta that's like $5. It's really good. Okay, I like that. I think that's a great mascara. Oh my. And for lips, I have this Wet n Wild. This is their Capricorn, $3.29. Definitely needs like a balm underneath or something. I do have this e.l.f. This is their Jelly Pop lip oil, so I'm just put some of that over top. Hopefully that smooths out. This, I think I paid $7.99 for at Ulta. All right, and there is my final look. Now, certainly you could go to Dollar Tree. Some Dollar Trees have more Wet n Wild than mine does. And like I say, I've used the LA colors in the past. It just doesn't, I don't think it's as pigmented, or at least the ones that I've used weren't. And I wanted to go with something that's kind of in between, not cheap, but stuff that is kind of more value driven. All right, so as you all know, we have a subscriber give back every month. What do you need to do to be a part of it? Well, you need to be subscribed to all of the ladies who are part of this collab. Even if one of them doesn't post a video, you still need to subscribe to that channel. You do have to post on everybody's video this month. So if somebody doesn't have a video this month, obviously you don't have to post on that, but you do have to post on everybody who does have a video up this month on their particular video. That's how we check to make sure you're publicly subscribed, and it does have to be a public subscription because otherwise we can't check it. You do have to let me know that you are subbed to all and that you left comments on everybody's video. I will check anyway, but that just lets me know that you know what you're supposed to do, and hopefully you've done it. And you have to be 18 or over, live within the transcontinental US, or have a US mailing address. I'll have all the rules down below, but for last month, I was the secret hostess. So one of you out there is going to get affordable beauty from me. But what you're going to get, because people, not everybody likes the same tones, even likes to wear makeup, but most of you like skincare. So what I did was I got you this set from The Ordinary. So this has 3 items. It is $21 for 3 items. This is one of their kind of their popular items. We have a travel size squalane cleanser, a full size hyaluronic 2% plus B5, and a travel size natural moisturizing factors hyaluronic acid. So here is that hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5. Here is that natural moisturizing factors hyaluronic acid, still a good size. It's 30 milliliters. And then here is that cleanser. And you are also going to get this natural moisturizing factors and inulin body lotion. This is a full size. It did come with that set, so it was free with purchase Ulta online. But you are going to get this big old guy. This is a body lotion. So who was last month's winner? Well, as I'm videoing this, I don't have the name yet because I'm waiting for everybody to get their names in, but they will be up here. Once I run that wheel of names, I like to get my videoing in like a week prior. So their name's going to be right up here. And I'll also tag them in the winner announcement as well. I'll do a community post. All right. Well, that's all I have for tonight. Please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you want to be a part of our subscriber give back. And even if you don't, and you like this kind of content, we do a lot of this. So thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.